Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2015 through 2021 Volkswagen GTI 5-door. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, the JetStream load bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is an additional track in which the tower is fastened. And alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to measurement numbers provided in the instruction sheets included with the pad and clip sets, and those will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower onto the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you first must remove this outer cover by squeezing the top and pulling down and back. The first adjustment we'll look at is the attachment of the tower to the bar, which is accessed by pulling back on this panel, and then you have access to the 3 points of adjustment, which will change the pitch in order to best match the curvature of the roof line. Now, when we close this panel, you'll see here how it prevents access to that fastener for security. Now, below we have the toe adjustment. When we loosen that with a tool that is provided with the towers, you'll see we have 3 points of toe adjustment of the pad and clip assembly, and that will help to best match the angles in the door frame. Now, when we tighten this fastener, this tool will click to indicate that you've reached the correct tightness, and this tool is used for all of the fasteners on the tower. Now, here we have another adjustment. When tightened, that will pull this clip down against the door frame. And underneath this panel, the final adjustment, when you tighten that fastener, that will pull the clip up against the door frame. Now, the pad and clip themselves, here you have a steel contoured shaped metal clip, and it has rubber where it connects against the door frame for protection and grip. And then you have a pivoting rubber base, and that will best match the curvatures of the roof line and the shape where it rests on the roof. Okay, now when we return the cover, we simply attach at the bottom and it snaps at the top. Here you'll notice we have a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System, which means you can purchase these lock cylinders separately in matched sets so that you can have all 4 of your towers as well as other SKS compatible accessories and carriers all key matched for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments on this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.